It's amazing today. It's crazy right here. We've got a couple of questions related to money. Everybody loves money. Let's ask and continue our episode for today.
Assalamualaikum. My name's Navahiya Abbas.
Nice name. I've heard this name for the first time.
I'm the only person in the world with this name.
That's beautiful take.
My name is Bilal.
Rayan, yours?
Naveen.
Naveen, what do you guys do?
I work at a financial firm.
Finance company and you?
Work in the development sector.
Development sector.
I'm a lawyer by profession.
Lawyer by profession and running this thing as well?
No, I'm not. This is my sister's setup and I'm just helping her out.
Supporting her.
Yeah.
That's a lovely sister to be.
I'm running this brand, NG Foods. Pure honey, desi ghee, basically all pure and natural products. Panjiri.
MashaAllah. It's a lot of Pakistani things right here.
Yeah.
Pure thing. Like
Pure, definitely.
That's lovely. Rafid, I know you, yeah. I know this guy is teaching you dance. He is hosting events. Lots of things.
Abdullah.
Abdullah, what do you do?
I am a software engineer, backend developer, and this is my part-time business.
Your part-time business. A developer in the day,
Chocolate man in the weekends.
in the weekends. I'm sure you're doing great business.
Yeah, it's going great.
My name is Sime.
Steven, nice Steven. What do you do?
Actually, I love to cook different food, introduce like a different food,
Different things. So this is your start.
different taste. Yeah, this is my stall.
I'm sure.
My name is Baltizan. Baltizan means Baltiz food.
In the meantime, I'm showing you guys these handicrafts. This is all we call as shawls. It's amazing stuff right from the upper side of the country. This is again a handicraft. You can see this is what we call as tokrar basket in English. And then we have these amazing stuff right here from the bamboos and from the wood itself. Too good. I'll walk you this. You can look at this. Pakistan is really famous in art and truck art. Especially we have these Urdu lines written over there, like we have this Maa ki dua jannat ki awaaz. Look at this. It's beautiful line. It's very famous. Like Maa ki dua jannat ki hawa. It means when your mother prays for you, that is directly coming from the heaven. Love or money, what would you choose?
Love.
Love. No money?
Not no money, but if it's a choice between love and money, so it will be love.
You are going with love, right?
Yes.
Love.
Love.
Money, of course.
Money, yeah?
Of course.
Love will follow right there.
Obviously, if you have money, love will always follow.
Love will always follow.
Money.
What way? Love will follow, right?
लव विल फॉलो ब्रो वो किसी ने कहा था ना एक्सीलेंस के पीछे भाग पैसा झट मार के पीछे
आएगा.
And love.
Money, obviously, money. Money is also important for life.
But love comes first, right?
Yes, of course, money. Of course.
Everybody does it, right?
No, some people are foolish enough to go for love.
It's a difficult choice, but at the end of the day, we earn money for the loved ones, so I would choose money for the loved ones.
Money for the loved ones. That's a lovely take and a very different and unique. What is better, a high-paying job that you hate or low-paying job that you love?
A low-paying job that you love.
That you love. That's a good pick. It's for everybody, right?
Yes. That is very important because the thing that you get from a job that you hate, so overall, if you plus minus the whole equation, you are actually at loss because all the stress you are having and all the toll that you are taking and the
It's not good.
problems
but
that you are going to have in couple of years with your health. So all the money, it'll go in waste.
it won't matter. The thing
Yes.
which matters is your peace.
Yes. So no fun in getting a money which you cannot enjoy, I think.
Honestly, there's nothing that's high paying that I hate, but that's I mean, in this country, a low paying job that I absolutely love. I was a
You did
semi-professional footballer. Doesn't pay much. So I mean, I hate that
that's
it's
football, right?
yeah, football.
But that's crazy.
What would I choose for myself? A low-paying job.
Low paying job, but the things that you love. You will choose what you love, right? How you ended up in this?
By the will of Allah.
By the will of Allah.
Completely. I didn't never ever.
Sort of doing this.
Yeah.
It's good, mashallah.
A high-paying job that I hate.
You will go for the money again.
Of course.
Yeah?
You know, it's a false notion that money can't buy happiness. If you have $1 million more rupees today, wouldn't you be happier?
I will be happier.
You know,
Ever.
I mean, that's a fact of life that people don't accept.
That is the fact. A lovely take on this.
Low paid job which I love.
Rich you love.
High paid job.
I will.
Because money is very important.
Money is very important.
Everyone do work for money.
Do work for money.
So I pick job.
I make job. Again, it goes back to the money. You are going to choose the basket that full of money. Huh?
Yes, exactly.
Of course, a high-paying job that I hate.
Even if you hit,
In this situation, I would choose that one because at the end of the day,
it's about money.
it's not about money because first two answers was not about money. But in
This situation, it comes to
situation, in probably this situation, I would choose the first option.
Definitely a low paying job that I enjoy.
that you enjoy. So for you, that peace of mind things come first.
That always comes first. I think for everybody that doesn't have, something that is forcing them to make money, or if they don't have such responsibilities, they should go for something of the same.
Go for the things that make them happy. You should choose the work and do the work that you love. If you guys could print a lot of money legally in Pakistan, what is that one first thing you would buy?
Probably a whole bunch of land so I can play football all day.
I'd pay anything to get back to my mother. She died a few years ago. That's something you can't buy.
You can't buy.
Like, I'm contradicting myself here. Obviously, love comes first.
A place to live.
a place to live, a good place to live. So what is it like a dream place like for you?
For me, a house that has a modern front and like a village type backyard.
A village theme, right? You could do some farming right there.
Yes.
And growing some vegetables and
Yes,
stuff.
yes.
It's not about buying something. I'm not into stuff like materialistic stuff. I would preferably go to Spain to watch the Barcelona match.
Getting this bit.
Yeah.
Where to fight thing is.
No, not where to fight thing is. That's another thing. That's another fun. But I want to watch Barcelona playing live in front of my eyes. And then I want to go to Brazil. I want to have a party in Brazil. I will love the Brazilian party, Brazilian doing party. ये मेरी दो जिंदगी की बड़ी ख्वाहिशात है सिंपल.
I wish you all the best. ये जल्दी पूरी हो.
इंशाल्लाह.
So a new house.
A new house, dream house that you guys are waiting for.
Yeah.
That's a good thing. There could be a lot of things that you might be thinking of buying when you have a lot of money.
School
A school
to run.
A school to run. And that's a lovely thing.
What I buy.
Yeah, if you have lots of
Nowadays, I love shepherd dogs, so I will buy
you would
more dogs.
more dogs,
Yes.
dream dogs, right?
Yes. Own my own house in Islamabad, since the prices here are crazy. You cannot afford with
Not afford it.
legal money, especially. I don't mean to, accuse anybody of anything, but yeah,
The Hawal way.
yeah, exactly, yes. Love.
No. Buying love from the money.
Real estate,
Real estate, property.
probably a couple of plots in Beria or DHA or something like that.
And Barry or DHA, Porsche area of the country. If money did not matter, would you quit your job tomorrow?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. For you, I will quit your job. You won't work in development sector more? Okay, if you guys
I would work, but in another capacity.
in other
So
capacity,
yeah, I would have my own thing.
you start your own thing.
I would start.
Obviously.
Obviously. You're doing the job for the money, right?
Yes, obviously. Because, we have to buy food. We have to,
You have to keep your way running, right?
Yes, I have a place where we can have a good living. So these are our needs. So that we have to
If they're fulfilled, then you can just skip your
Yes.
job and stuff.
Yes.
No. It's not that right now. This is what my job is. But,
So you love doing this.
honestly, I've been jobless for a while. I've actually experienced joblessness.
Has been through that phase of
Yes.
life.
Sitting idle, I'd rather be doing something than just not doing anything.
Doesn't matter if you hate it, you gotta go.
Yeah.
You gotta go for it.
Yeah.
Because sitting idle is painful.
It makes your life more meaningful if you're doing something.
It's good. That's good.
Yeah.
You need to be meaningful. You need to be impactful. You gotta do something.
That's how I see it.
Lovely take.
I would love anything that is related to me, close to my field, close to my interest.
That you love doing, you
Yes.
will always choose for that.
Probably not. I really don't work for the money. I work for my own activity, you can say.
No, because job gives us the confidence to do things, and it makes you feel that you're something. So money is not the only thing that I do job. It's also my passion. For example, if I do coding, I love coding, and that makes me feel something that I'm making something for some people. And on top of that, if they're giving me some good money, which they are, so I like it as well.
You like it. You do what you love and you get money for that. It's amazing intake.
No, I won't quit my job.
You won't quit your job. You love it.
Yes, exactly. I will keep making, I will keep doing my job. I will keep introducing new
Yeah.
products.
That's a lovely thing, ma'am. Would love to see you, inshallah, on other events as well. I love your vibe and love your energy. Wishing you all the best for this.
Yes.
Thank you to Sand as well.
Thank you.